we have an elevator at the Denver airport. This one goes up from 5 to check in on 6. There's one right in there that goes down from there down to the train, but that's getting replaced by the one I filmed earlier. Same cabs as the other elevators in the terminal here. The old ones. This thing runs pretty decently. There's the button. There it is. And over there, you see the new elevator they put in. It's a TKE, I guess now. What elevator is this? This is TE01, the first elevator in the terminal. Oh. Yeah, I wanted to go with the same. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yep. What is that? THC. Damn, they don't have fun at all. Anyway, there it goes. Slam, slam. That's it.